At present, the phone market has lost its direction in the competition, and the direction of volume is becoming increasingly homogeneous. All major manufacturers are thinking about how to break the situation. The phone manufacturers are also launching new products at this node. This Honor 90 Pro also officially meets with us and has comprehensively upgraded the image, screen, and battery life. Let's see if this new phone can continue the good reputation of the Honor 80 series and what is unique about the experience. As we all know, the problem with OLED screens is that the lower the flicker is, the more it hurts the eyes at low brightness. In recent years, various companies have launched 1920Hz and 2160Hz high-frequency dimming screens to minimize the damage to human eyes caused by flicker. The imaging capabilities of the Honor 90 Pro have also been improved. It is equipped with a 200-megapixel super outsole main camera. Its powerful light sensitivity combined with ultra-high pixels can retain more details while allowing secondary creations to retain enough details. The Honor 90 Pro maintains an excellent feel as always. In a body that is only 8.1mm thick, the whole series is equipped with a 5000 mAh high-energy density battery. This is also due to the use of a 3-pole single-cell battery that can make the volume smaller and the increase in battery density. It can be said that among many models of the same body size in the market, the battery capacity of the Honor 90 Pro is the largest. Coupled with a combination of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 flagship core and Turbo X system engine software and hardware, the Honor 90 Pro has better performance and more stable performance. The front of the Honor 90 Pro uses a 6.78-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 2700 by 1224, 437 ppi, a screen contrast ratio of 5 million by 1, a color display of 1.07 billion colors, and a 10-bit color depth. The overall quality is excellent in terms of parameters. The global maximum brightness of the screen can reach 1200 nit and the peak brightness is 1600 nit. With the ultra-dynamic color display, it can perfectly show the charm of HDR movies and restore more realistic light and shadow details. Because of the use of the suspended Streamline 4 curve lamination technology, the black edge of the R corner is greatly reduced and the effect of an equidistant frame is visually realized. The power button and volume adjustment parts of the Honor 90 Pro are on the right side of the screen. Because the thickness is only 8.1mm and the weight is about 192 grams, it is very thin and brings an excellent comfortable feel. On the back, Honor maintains its own unique aesthetic and the color we received is Star Diamond Silver. The appearance of the lower part of the phone is inspired by the criss-crossing diamond lattice in high-end jewelry. With the mirror material, the overall look is very delicate and elegant. The rear continues the appearance style of the double-ring rear camera module, which is a 3-camera solution consisting of a 200-megapixel photo main camera, a 32-megapixel 2.5x telephoto portrait lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro 2-in-1 lens. In the high-pixel mode, more details can be recorded, and because of the increase in the photosensitive area, shooting at night will also have a very good effect. Especially the last 2 night scenes, thanks to the increase in the light input of the main camera, combined with the AI night scene algorithm, even in low light conditions, satisfactory photos can be taken. These proofs have no obvious noise, and the light control is excellent. Even at night, the light and shadow reflected from the roof surface are perfectly preserved, which is really amazing for the ability to capture light. In the portrait mode, Honor's 1x and 2x zooms use the main camera lens, and the 2.5x zoom uses the 32 megapixels telephoto portrait lens, thus realizing the portrait optical 3-focus segment. From the level of tuning of the Honor 90 Pro, users don't need to care about which lens is used during the zooming process, they only need to start from the perspective of composition and viewfinder. The phone OS is the most important part of the phone experience. Honor 90 Pro is equipped with Magic OS 7.1, which focuses on smart experience, which brings more useful features such as global collection, video collection, voice shorthand, and real-time text, allowing you to study and work save time and effort. The Honor 90 Pro uses the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is equipped with a gaming-level global cooling system, composed of innovative arterial bionic C and 3rd-generation high thermal conductivity graphite sheets. The battery capacity of the Honor 90 Pro is 5000 mAh, and it is rare that such a large battery can be packed into an 8.1mm body. The Honor 90 Pro also uses 90-watt super fast charging. In the ultra-fast charging mode, it can be charged to 58% in 15 minutes, and it only takes 37 minutes to fully charge. It also supports smart charging mode, which can intelligently identify charging scenarios and adjust charging protection strategies, providing the best charging experience while prolonging life. Honor 90 Pro sticks to its original intention. While providing high configuration hardware, it chooses to focus on experience. Not only is the product aesthetic appearance unique, but it has also been comprehensively upgraded in the 3 dimensions of screen, video, and battery life that most affect user experience. Again, only when the product experience is done well, the ecology is becoming more and more perfect, and with the recognition of consumers and a good reputation, can we gain a foothold in this fierce phone market and continuously achieve innovation and breakthroughs. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.